In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up YouTube auto uploads in n8n. We'll start inside your n8n workspace. First, set up secure connections to Google Drive and YouTube using auth2. Open the credentials section and create a new auth2 credential for Google Drive, then another one for YouTube. As you create them, n8n will display a redirect URI. Keep that URL handy. You'll need it in a moment. Finish the basic credential setup, but don't worry if authorization isn't complete yet. We'll come back after a quick configuration in Google Cloud. Next, head to the Google Cloud Console for the Google account you plan to use. Make sure the YouTube Data API v3 is enabled for your project. Without it, uploads won't work. In your OAuth client settings, add the redirect URI shown in n8n so the authorization handshake can complete properly. Save your changes, then return to n8n and authorize both credentials. A quick tip, use the same Google account for Drive and YouTube to avoid permission mismatches with the folder and the channel. Now let's build the workflow. Add a Google Drive trigger that watches a specific folder. Choose the folder where you'll drop finished videos. Configure it to fire when a new file is created so the workflow runs only on fresh uploads, keeping everything efficient and tidy. This trigger passes file details forward, but not the actual video yet. After the trigger, add a Google Drive node to fetch the file content. Set the operation to download and make sure it returns the binary data. That binary stream is exactly what the YouTube node needs. Add a YouTube node next. Set resource to video and operation to upload. In the video file field, map the binary data from the previous node so n8n sends the actual video content. Confirm the node uses your YouTube OAuth2 credential. While you're here, choose the privacy status, public, unlisted, or private, based on how you want new uploads to appear. Then add your metadata, provide a clear title, a helpful description, and relevant tags. For smooth automation, consider using expressions to pull a title from the file name or from a database record so each upload is labeled correctly without manual edits. Time to test and activate. Start with a small test clip to keep the run quick. Execute the workflow, check for errors, and confirm the video shows up in YouTube Studio. When everything looks good, switch the workflow to active. From now on, any video you drop into that drive folder will be uploaded to your channel automatically.